welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a spring makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. I am starting off by using the Benefit Cosmetics My Precisely Brow Pencil in number shade 3.5. Then I'm going to be picking up this Louise eyeshadow base and I'm applying this all over my eye. Then I'm going to be taking this julep eyeshadow that is absolutely beautiful and just screams peach. Not peach, spring, but it's a very peachy shade. And I'm applying this all over my eyelid. I will of course include the shades and everything down below. Then I'm taking this NYX palette. I actually just reviewed this on my channel not too long ago and I've been obsessed with it. It's been one of my favorite palettes. I use this basically non-stop. It is so good. And I'm just picking up these shadows, applying it in my crease, then also my outer V, and I'm just blending it really nice because I want it to be nice and seamless. Then I'm taking this glitter eyeshadow from Tarte Cosmetics and I'm applying it right over that peachy orangey shade because I just want some glitter in the mix because I just love glitter and I thought I could spice up this eye look just a bit more. Then I'm going to be taking this white eyeliner and I'm applying this on my eyelid, but mainly in the front of my eye, kind of in the beginning of my crease. Not my full crease, but just in the beginning, and then I'm going to be going over that with some eyeshadow. So this is kind of like the base for the next eyeshadow I'm about to apply. And the next eyeshadow is also from that NYX palette. And guys, I used this eyeshadow palette non-stop when I was in Miami. It is just a beautiful, silvery, sparkly shade. Look how it just goes and glides right in the eye. I'm applying it on top of where I applied the white eyeliner. Then I'm going in with my favorite lashes from Ardell. This is like a double wispy type of lash. I will put the number down below, but I love it. It makes it very like thick and wispy and it makes it look like I'm wearing like eyelash extensions, which I loved when I had extensions. It's just super pricey. Then I'm picking up this dark shade from the NYX palette and I'm applying it right in my outer V, kind of deepening up that crease. Then going in with the new Benefit liner. So I'm going to do a little talk through right now because I want to try out the DIOR Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I picked this up during the Sephora sale, which I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up from Sephora in another video. But I absolutely love the DIOR Forever Skin Correct Concealer. I've been talking about this the past few months and I absolutely love it like so much. It is so good. So I wanted to try out the foundation because I figured if the concealer is similar to the foundation, then I'm just gonna love it. I'm gonna go in with my current favorite primer. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I think this is discontinued because I tried looking for it during the Sephora sale and just like looking it up online and I couldn't find this one anymore. Yeah, so I'm just going to take some of this. I apply it in my T-zone and it literally blurs my face. Like smooth, poreless, all that good stuff. All right, let's go in. I got it in the shade 3W, which is Warm Glow. I do have a little spray tan on, so I'm not sure if it'll match. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Is it a pump? Yes. I'm just going to put it on this brush here and, you know, distribute it on my face and then blend it out using this IT Cosmetics brush. So I'm just going to take a little. I first want to see if it's even going to match. Just want to see something really quick. The exact shade as my body. So perfect. I'm going to take a little bit more. So it is, I didn't read anything about this concealer, like what it's claiming to be or anything, if it's full coverage or medium coverage. So I'm just going to take a little guess. I've tried that other DIOR foundation, the bottle one. I didn't love it. All right, now I'm just gonna go in and blend everything out. It is super creamy. I would say it's medium coverage. It looks a little weird on my nose, like breaking up on my nose a little. I'm gonna take a little bit more. Let's see if it's buildable. Very tiny bit. That's a little bit more than tiny. And I'm gonna put a little bit more on my cheeks and just see how it blends out. Probably should have done half my face with a brush and half of it with a sponge, because maybe it may not be as broken up on the nose. I am gonna go wet my sponge really quick and we're gonna go over it, see if I can like fix it up a little bit. So I went ahead and wet my sponge. I'm gonna go over my face before I apply any more product, just because I want to see if I can make it look a little bit more skin-like. I feel like it looks a little streaky, which can happen when you're using brushes, but I normally use a brush for all my foundations. But certain foundations work better with a sponge and certain foundations work better with a brush. So maybe this is a foundation that may be better with a sponge. I'm just gonna go over it. I don't know, my nose looks a little broken up. So I'm just gonna start pushing my skin in to get it a little bit more skin-like. And I'm just gonna compare this side to this side. That looks so much better. This looks so much better. I definitely feel like it looks way more skin-like. It's even fixing my nose. It was breaking up by my nose and just going over it, and it's not even wet, it's just like damp. It looks so much better. So I'm gonna see if this is buildable. I wanna go over my nose just a little bit more, but instead I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand first, and then take my sponge, bounce it around, and then go over my nose. Oh wow. Okay, that looks phenomenal. And I feel like it gave me so much more coverage doing it that way. But my nose looks freaking so good now. It was so bad before. I'm sure you guys were able to see. It was completely broken up. I'm gonna go ahead with my DIOR Forever Skin Correct Concealer. This stuff is so good. I just love it. It's so creamy and so full coverage. I'm gonna take a little bit more. Very little. I really never highlight between my brows. If you kind of understand the concept of highlighting and contouring, when you highlight an area, quick little lesson. Let me know if you guys want an in-depth contour and highlight, you know, learn session. But when you are highlighting your forehead, you are making your forehead larger and forward and brightened. And I have a pretty large forehead, at least in my opinion. So I never will highlight here because I just don't want to bring attention to it. I don't want it to look forward, awake. I contour a lot because I want it to look smaller. So yeah, for those who didn't know. So when you watch videos online and you see how people are contouring and highlighting, I always tell my clients this. You know, you can't always watch and follow people you watch online because everyone has a different face shape. And when you contour, you are creating shadows and definition on your face. Not everyone has the same shape face. And yeah, you want to contour based on your shape. My camera's about to die. Then I'm picking up the Maybelline 4-in-1 Perfector. I love using this to contour. It just blends so seamless. I actually have a whole video of using this one and the lighter shade for my whole face for highlighting and contouring, and I didn't use any foundation and my skin just looked flawless. I love this stuff. Then taking my Ilia Soft Focus powder, I'm using this to set my under eyes, and then using the Ilia bronzer in the shade Novelty. I love this stuff. It is just so seamless on my skin. So my camera ended up dying. I went ahead and applied some eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Let's go ahead and apply my lipstick. I want to do something a little bit different. I don't want to use my Beach Babe lipstick from Tarte. I want to use Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to be using the Iconic Nude Lip Liner. This is my favorite lip liner. I had this a long time ago and I lost it. So I just picked it up at the Sephora sale. Charlotte Tilbury is just super expensive. It's kind of annoying how expensive it is. But I have this lipstick and lip gloss. During Christmas time last year, they had like a mystery box, so I purchased the mystery box, and that's how I had this. I'm gonna take the Pillow Talk lip gloss because, you know, I need my lip gloss. And yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love how this came out. It is super springy. I absolutely love how my eyeshadow came out. It's very peach with like a touch of sparkle because I love sparkles. Sparkles are just so pretty. These earrings are from Amazon. They are Gucci dupes, only $16. And then also my bangle, also Amazon, only $30. Definitely pick this up. It is just absolutely stunning. And let's talk about the foundation, since I did do a little review of the foundation. I didn't make a whole separate video on that foundation because it's been out for so long, so I'm sure there's hundreds of reviews. Those who wanted to hear my thoughts. I really love this foundation. It looks very skin-like. I think it only works well with a sponge. I don't think it worked well with a brush. I'm gonna be honest, I really did not like it with a brush. It was very streaky, picked up on my nose. It just like wasn't staying in place. It was just moving around a lot. Whereas the sponge, it was really pushing it into my skin, made it very skin-like, very glowy, very, very smooth. It's very pretty, so I will keep you guys updated. There was lipstick on my teeth. Hopefully there was not lipstick the entire time. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this spring makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. They're my personal favorite to film. So let me know if you guys want to see another one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you all in my next video.